Do you feel like there's never enough time in the day? Constantly battling deadlines, back-to-back meetings, and an overflowing inbox? If so, you're not alone. Poor time management is one of the top challenges faced by managers and executives today. But there's a simple solution that can help you take back control of your schedule: time blocking. In this video, we'll show you how to use the time blocking method to structure your day, minimize distractions, and maximize productivity. What is time blocking? Time blocking is a productivity technique where you divide your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. Think of it as creating an appointment with yourself. Instead of leaving your day to chance or distractions, you proactively plan when and what you'll work on. From meetings to deep focus work to taking breaks, everything gets a designated time. This method helps you create structure, prioritize effectively, and gain control over your workload. Why time blocking works? Why does time blocking work so well? Because it tackles two major productivity killers: multitasking and decision fatigue. Studies have shown that multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%. When you time block, you focus on one task at a time, which allows you to complete it more efficiently. Additionally, by planning your day ahead of time, you reduce decision fatigue, no more wasting mental energy deciding what to do next. Time blocking also gives you a clearer picture of how you're spending your time, allowing you to adjust and improve. How to start time blocking? Getting started with time blocking is simple. Step 1. Begin by identifying the most important tasks you need to complete. These should be your priorities for the day or week. Step 2. Estimate how long each task will take. Be honest with yourself and leave enough time for each task. Step 3. Schedule these tasks in blocks. Reserve larger blocks for deep work that requires focus, and smaller blocks for tasks like responding to emails or attending meetings. Step 4. Always include breaks and buffer time. Breaks help you recharge, and buffer time allows you to handle unexpected tasks or meetings without throwing off your entire schedule. Real-life example: how a CEO uses time blocking. Jack Dorsey, former CEO of Twitter and current CEO of Square, is known for using time blocking to manage his dual responsibilities. Each day of his week was dedicated to specific themes: Monday for management and running the company, Tuesday for product and development, and so on. By theming his days and blocking time for focused work, he reduced decision-making fatigue and ensured that his time was spent on what truly mattered. This approach not only helped him manage multiple roles, but also kept his schedule structured and efficient. Advanced time blocking tips. Once you've mastered the basics, here are some advanced tips. 1. Use color coding. Different colors for different types of tasks, such as meetings, emails, and personal time, make it easy to see what's on your plate. 2. Set aside deep work time. Reserve uninterrupted blocks for focused work where you can tackle your most important tasks without distractions. Adjust as needed. Time blocking isn't rigid. Review your schedule weekly, and be ready to shift blocks around based on priorities or emergencies. 4. Add a shutdown routine. Schedule the last block of your day for reviewing what you've accomplished and planning for the next day. This helps you close out your workday with intention. Overcoming time blocking challenges. Time blocking isn't without its challenges. One common issue is dealing with unexpected interruptions. Here's how you can handle them. 1. Use buffer blocks. Leave gaps in your schedule for urgent, unplanned tasks. 2. Communicate your schedule. Let your team know when you're in focus mode and can't be disturbed. This helps set boundaries and protects your time. 3. Be flexible. Time blocking is a tool, not a rule. You don't have to stick to it perfectly, just aim for progress. With practice, you'll find the balance that works for you. To recap, time blocking is a powerful method for taking control of your day and boosting your productivity. Start by identifying your key tasks, block time for each one, and review your schedule weekly. With this structure, you'll be better prepared to handle your workload, minimize distractions, and work smarter, not harder. Start time blocking today and unlock the secret to managing your time like a pro. Want to supercharge your productivity? Give time blocking a try and see how it transforms your day. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and strategies.